Hi, this is Daniel. We have today Windows 10 Phablet. It's the Cube WP10 with a Snapdragon CPU. Let's see what we have inside the box. So once you open it, it's a very big, it's a Phablet. So it's a 6.98 inch Windows 10 mobile Phablet. There you can see it, white on the back, like a metal frame around it. And here it is, Windows 10 Phablet, the Cube. Let's see how it works. Let's see what you can do. Nowadays you have, of course, you have the iPhones with iOS, you have Android, but you still have Windows Phone Mobile. And even though it has a small market share, there's actually a reason to own Windows mobile phone, especially if you are a heavy Windows user. You have all the apps from Windows on your phone, and you can very easily sync all the apps, all the data, all the information into your phone. So as you can see, you have Microsoft Edge, you have Groove Music, you have Cortana, your virtual assistant, you have your Outlook, Mail, Calendar. Of course, you have the camera, which, by the way, it's a 5 megapixel camera in the back and a 2 megapixel camera in the front. So it's pretty robust, the camera. You can operate, you can do stuff with it. You can take some basic pictures and do videos. It's pretty good. Worth mentioning, this is a very budget Phablet. This costs $123 at GearBest. So it's superb for what it offers. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, Snapdragon CPU, as I said, 2800 milliamps battery. You can put a micro SD in here. It's a dual SIM phone. It has 16 gigabytes of storage, and so that's pretty much it for specs. Again, you have Microsoft Bingo. You have movies, TV, you have Microsoft Office, all the Office for PowerPoint, Word, OneNote to keep your notes on all your data. You have Excel, you have your Xbox app. If you're playing on Xbox, you can directly connect to Xbox Live and see all your game, all your friends, your gamer tag, your gamer score, all your achievements. You can do all that directly from this Windows phone. So that's pretty much it. If you already have an Android, or if you have an iOS phone, an iPhone, you can still enjoy a Windows phone. If you have a Windows computer, it's still pretty practical. And if you don't have any of those, or if you just want to change it up, this is still very much worth having. That's pretty much it. And by the way, if you need a lamp, if you like these cute lampy things that you can press and change color, go to GearBest, and you can also get there. We have plenty of these, and for winter they can keep you warm and just make your room look better. So go ahead and grab this with your Windows phone. That's it. Thank you very much.